everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas day 11, and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be installing her. Exciting thing. So first things first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like. My clarifying toner by Elaine Sterling, because we use toner over here, we don't use alcohol. And I'm going to spray it on here. And then I'm going to start removing this lace closure, even though I had glued it back down this morning because I thought my Fashion Nova package was going to be here, because I was going to do a clothing haul, but it's not here, unfortunately. And look at that cap. That cap is still good. What y'all think? I'm going to do, I'm going to spray some more clarifying toner. Now, to glue back down the cap, I'm just gonna spray some more toner on here. Clean off my end of my comb, because it's normally the comb that I use for wigs, so it has glue already on here. I'm gonna take my Eben spray and my blow dryer. I'm gonna take my Eben spray, and just like we did the first time, I'm gonna spray it on my head. With my hair. So I'm gonna take the blow dryer on hot and start doing my thing. So I'm gonna clean off any extra hairspray that may have not. Just cleaning out the excess on my forehead. Now I'm gonna try on this wig. Really put her on like that. Yeah. I like this cap. Let me just part her a little bit just to make sure, you know, the girl has got to make sure. Okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna part some ads. Yep, and I do. Okay, so I need to. I'm not gluing it down or anything right now, but it does look pretty good. Leave it how it is. I think it's cute, and we can move forward from here. Okay, now y'all, I am going to clip my hair up so we can start gluing it down. And as always, I just do my 2 little rolls, take my comb, push the glue in, back, forth, and then I blow dry on hot. And then I'm going to pull the wig forward and start pressing my wig lace into the glue. And of course, I'm going to blow dry that on cool. And then I'm going to take my Eben hairspray, and I did use the Eben hair glue. I'm going to use my Eben hairspray and further go in. Just, you know, y'all, I'm trying to really get this thing down, packed, sealed, make sure it's not going nowhere. Then I'm going to take my clarifying toner and wipe any excess glue off in the front. Because when I band my hair, I don't want the band to be sticking to my forehead and cause that little residue mark. So yeah, I'm gonna band my hair while I'm like curling my hair and all that stuff, because that's the best way for me in particular. Now I'm just using my hot comb to make my part. I'm not gonna define this part because of the hair color. I actually think, me in my personal opinion, I don't care what anybody else thinks, I like this hair color without a part. So yeah, then next I'm gonna use my wax stick, just get some of them flyaways, make sure that part is actually down the middle. I mean, not even down the middle, just make sure the hair is laying down properly. Then I'm a hot comb over that just to, you know, give it some extra reinforcement. Right here, I'm just checking on my lace, see what's going on. And then I'm cutting some extra bangs in the front of this wig, because I liked the length at first, but I wanted the bangs to be just a little bit shorter. Now we're going to go into the curling process. Y'all, tell me why I broke my curling irons. Tell me why I got to buy some new ones. I had these curling irons for almost January of 2025 would have made 5 years. They only work at a certain angle. So now I got to get new flat irons. I was so mad. It don't even make any sense. So I always curl away from my face. It is pretty to curl towards the face, but I don't know. I was feeling creative this time, and I decided to curl away from my face. Maybe tomorrow I may curl towards my face. Honestly, my face is so chunky right now. I think curling towards the face would have been a little bit cuter. I may do that in the morning, but I just wanted to do the wig install and curl on camera. And the spray that I'm using on my head, of course, is my Sebastian Shaper Hair Plus. Now, I did curl, you know, the right side going to the right, the left side going to the left. But y'all, tell me why when I was done curling my hair, I really didn't like it. I don't know why I didn't like it. I just didn't like it. Like, I don't know. I don't know if it was the middle part. I don't know if it was the way I curled it. I feel like if I would have curled it going towards my face, I would have liked my hair more. But for some reason, I just started like curling more pieces of hair, hoping that would help me like the hair. But for some reason, I like the way I curled the hair, but for some reason I didn't. I feel like it would have helped more if I would have added more curls. I don't know what it was. I just didn't like it. It was pretty on me, you know, but this is where I started messing up at. When I started pulling that hot comb back out, re-hot combing places, then I combed the curls out. And I was like, you know what? I don't like the middle part. Okay, curl away from my face. But if it was curled towards my face, I would have liked it. So I was like, let me try putting a side part in. Now, I do like the side part. I thought it was pretty. I just used my hot comb to smooth it over, move the part over to where I want it. I don't do frontals. I only do lace closures. But I ended up somewhat liking it. I added a few curls in there to see, just to give the bang more oomph. But yeah, I'm just wearing my hair like this for my try-on haul tomorrow. I'm going to figure something else out after that. But for the time being, for right now, this is cute. I think it's cute. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.